Hello students, we were on 7th chapter percent and percentage and 6th sum is completed. So now we will start 7th sum. 7 is out of 800 oranges, 50 are found rotten. Find the percentage of good oranges. So total oranges is equal to 800. Then number of rotten oranges is equal to 50. So we have to find the percentage of good oranges. We should have number of good oranges. Then we can find the percentage of good oranges. So number of good oranges is equal to 800 total oranges minus number of rotten oranges. Then we will get 750. So percentage of good oranges is equal to 750 upon 800 or 750. We will write 800. We will write 800 because total number of oranges are 800. So 750 upon 800 multiplied by 100 inside the bracket. Then percentage symbol. We have to find the number of good percentage of good oranges. So number of good oranges are 750 upon total. Total is 800 multiplied by 100%. So we will divide this. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Now by 2 both are divisible, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, remainder is 1, 2 7 are 14, 1 2 5 are 10. Now by any other number? No, not any same number. So it means 375 upon 4%. We can convert this into maize. So it will come 4 9s are 36, 4 3s are 12. Then 3 upon 4. So 93 whole 3 upon 4%. So number of percentage of good oranges is equal to 93 whole 3 upon 4% is the answer. Now 9th sum. A man spent 87% of salary if he says rupees 325, find his salary. So salary means spend plus save. Either person spend or save the salary. Only two things he does. So total percentage is 100. Salary is 100%. From 100%, 80%, 87% is spent. So how many percent saved? 13%. So first we will find the percentage saving of salary. Percentage saving of salary is equal to total 100%. Out of 100%, 87% spending. So how many percent saving? 13% is saved. So what is given? If he saves 325. Percentage is also we have of saving and in rupees also. So let the salary be rupees X. So now we will find the saving in terms of X. So how many percent saving? 13% of X. So it is saving in terms of X. 13% of X is saving because 13% is saving. So 13% of total salary. Total salary is X. So is equal to in rupees. What is the saving? 325. They both are equal. So 325. So now we will find the value of X. That will be the salary. And what is asking? Find his salary. So 13 upon 100 of X is equal to 325. So 13x upon 100 is equal to 325. Now cross multiply. 13x is equal to 325 multiplied by 100. Then x is equal to 325 multiplied by 100 13. So by 13, 325 is divisible. 13 to the 26. Remainder 6. 65. 13 by 65. X is equal to 25 into 100. 2500. So we get this salary X. So therefore, salary is equal to rupees X. It means rupees 2500. Listen again. A man spent 87% of salary. If he says rupees 325, find his salary. So total percentage is 100. In salary, either saving or spend. So out of 100, 87% spent. So how many percent save? 13%. So 13% saving is given in percentage also, in rupees also. We have to find the salary. So let the salary be rupees X. So 13% of X is saving. It is also given in rupees also. So with the help of this equation, we have find this value of X. So therefore salary is equal to rupees X. It means salary is equal to rupees 2500 is the answer. Now students, see second part of 10th sum of your book. A number 5.78 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 is wrongly read as 5.87 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3. Find the percentage error. So this number is correct number but wrongly read as 5.87 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3. We have to find the percentage error. So for finding the percentage error, first we will find the error. So before this, first we will write correct number. Correct number is equal to 5.78 multiplied 10 raised to power 3. It means 5780. See how decimal is after 2 places. And here 10 raised to power 3 means 1000. Decimal to RHS because it is multiplied. 3 places RHS. So 1, 2, what about third place? Third place is 0. Now wrong number. Wrong number is equal to 5.87 multiplied 10 raised to power 3. It means 5870. So it is correct number and it is wrong number. So now we will find error. Error is equal to larger number minus smaller number. So 5870 minus 5780. So what we will get? 0. 10, 7, 17 minus 8. 9. Then 7 minus 7, 0. Then 5 minus 5, 0. So error is equal to 90. Now we will find percentage error. So percentage error is equal to 90 upon which number we will write? Wrong or correct? We will write correct number, that is 5780 multiplied by 100%. We will write correct number all the sum. So 0 to 0 cancel. By which number? By 2, they both are divisible. So 2 2s are 4. Then 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 80. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. So 289 is only divisible by 17, not any other number. Then 45 and 10 are not divisible by 14. So all the numbers are not divisible by any same number. So we will multiply this. So it will come 450 upon 289%. We can convert 450 upon 289 into mix. So when we will convert this into mix, what we will get? See, 450 here 289 here. So 289 मतलब 289. Loser will be more. So 10 minus 9 1. 10 4 14 minus 8 6. 3 minus 2 161. So we will write divisor 289 here, quotient 1 here, then here 161. So the percentage error is equal to 1 whole 161 upon 289%. So we can give this answer in decimal also, but leave in which fraction? Friends, that is, in an election between two candidates, one candidate secured 58% of the vote. In an election between two candidates, one candidate secured 58% of the vote and won the election by 18,336 votes. Find the total number of votes polled and the votes secured by each candidate. So as I told you, total percentage is 100%. So 58% secured by one candidate. Second candidate secured how many percent? That we can find. So percentage of votes secured by winner candidate. 58%. Who secured 58%? That candidate is winner candidate. Secured by winner candidate is equal to 58%. So percentage of votes secured by loser candidate is equal to total percent 100. So 100% minus 58%. It means this candidate secured 42%. So now what we have? Percentage of votes secured by winner candidate, percentage of votes secured by loser candidate. We have both. And what we have? Of the votes polled and won the election by 18,336 votes. It means winner candidate secured 18,336 votes more than loser candidate. Now see how we will make the equation. Let the total number of votes be x. Total number of votes be x. So number of votes secured by winner candidate is equal to how many percent secured? 58%. So 58% of x. Number of votes secured by winner candidate 58%. 58% of total number of votes, that is x. So number of votes secured by loser candidate is equal to 42% of x. So these number of votes will be more than this. How many? 18,336 votes. So how we will make equation? 58% of x minus 42% of x is equal to 18,336. So 58%, 58x upon 100 minus 42x upon 100 is equal to 18,336. If both the denominators are same, then we can subtract numerator directly. So 58 minus 42, what we will get? 16x upon 100 is equal to 18,336. Now we will do cross multiply. So x 13,396 multiply 100 upon 16. 16 is in multiply, both to RHS divide, 100 is in divide with this, both to RHS multiply. So now we will divide this. 16 1 the 16, remainder is 2. 16 1 the 16, remainder 7. Then 16 1 the 16, if not divisible by 16, then take by 4, divide by 4. 4 4 the 16. Then here by 4, 4 4 the 16. Remainder 2. 4 5 the 20. Remainder 3. 4 8 the 32. 4 4 the 16. Now once again by 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 1 the 4. Yes. 4 1 the 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 4 the 16. 4 6 the 24. So x is equal to 1146. Then these two 0. So total number of votes polled 1,14,600. So we will write here. Therefore, total number of votes polled is equal to 1,14,600. So total number of votes polled 1,14,600. Now we have to find total number of votes polled and votes secured by each candidate. So number of votes secured by winner candidate is equal to how many percent secured by winner candidate? 58%. So 58% of total votes, they are 1,40,600. So we will solve this. 58 upon 100 of 1,40,600. So we will multiply this. Then you will do this multiply by yourself. Then number of votes secured by loser candidate. How many percent? 42%. So 42% of 1,14,600. So it will come 42 upon 100 of 1,14,600. 0 to 0 cancel. Then you can do this multiply. So listen again. Percentage of votes secured by winner candidate 58%. Percentage of votes secured by loser candidate 100% minus 58%. It means 42%. So let the total number of votes be x. So number of votes secured by winner candidate 58% of total votes. Then number of votes secured by loser candidate 42% of total votes. That is x. So 58% of x minus 42% of x. Then difference. Their difference 18,336. After solving this, we are getting the value of x 1,14,600. So it is total number of votes polled. So we have to find the number of votes secured by each candidate. So number of votes secured by winner candidate, how many percent? 58% of total votes, that is 1,14,600. That you have to solve. Then number of votes secured by loser candidate, 42% of 1,14,600. That also you have to solve by yourself. Find the answer and comment your answer in comment box.